What's poppin', Diva Gang? How are y'all doing today? Today, I'm going to be showing you how I kind of, sort of, not really recreated these press-on nails that I saw on Femi Beauty's Instagram page. It started off, I was going to do them like exactly how they are in the pic. She used two colors from her McCart collab, but I decided to go a different route, you guys. That color frickin' is very, very loud for me, and that's what she used. She said it in her caption. And I was just going to do it, you know, but I just wasn't feeling it this day. So instead, I chose a different color scheme, but it's still the same vibe, okay, with a little something extra. So if you want to see what I did, then just stay tuned. And if you want to see a little special mini vlog, then stay tuned all the way until the end. This particular day, I went out with my family. We went to an amusement park. If you stay tuned until the end, comment below if you live in like the Westchester, Lower New York kind of area. Comment below if you know what amusement park I'm at. If you are from like the Westchester, Lower New York, Bronx kind of area, you're gonna know exactly where I went. And y'all know that that's where like everybody go when it starts to get nice. Y'all know it's a few of y'all when y'all was in high school, y'all was working up in there. A few of y'all still work there, but you know, ain't no shame. I ain't judging you, okay? So yes, yeah, so I decided I needed to redo my toes, and I did these press-on toenails using the colors Shining Star and Shining Star is the white color, and then the pink color is called Pixie Dust. And I kind of just ombre them together. I love that these polishes are so easy to ombre together. And I didn't do any really serious prep for these toenails just because I don't plan on keeping them on for too long. I kind of just needed something on my toes because I was wearing open toe shoes this day. And I have a vanity thing about not having your toes done. And yeah, so I decided to just make these really quick the morning before we headed out. So that's just what you see me doing here, and these colors ombre together super easily, and it's actually really very pretty. In some lights this color can look kind of like purplish, especially on like a darker kind of skin tone. It can go off kind of like a purple tinge, and I'm not used to wearing like glitter and things on my toes, but it's actually really cute. If you want to see how I give myself a full-blown pedicure at home, excuse me, I always have to freaking burp when I'm doing these goddamn voiceovers. But if you want to see how I give myself a full-blown pedicure at home, salon quality for $10 using products from Dollar Tree, click on this video linked right here in the cards. I give you guys a whole how-to of just how to pamper yourself at home and get those toes right for summertime, girlfriend. But yes, that's all I did with the toes. Now we're gonna work on these horrible hands of mine, and I'm using a shape and a length that I don't use very often. I'm using the just regular long coffin nails, and this video is gonna seem like it's going kind of fast because it is, because what I'm doing is pretty self-explanatory and it's pretty simple to do. These colors are not hard to ombre together at all, which I'm really very grateful for because I was kind of pressed for time when I was making these nails. And I remember saying a while ago that I wanted to do like pink and green. I wanted to use Pixie Dust and this green color called Twinkle in a set, and I guess this is kind of my way of doing that, you know. I got Pixie Dust on my toes, and I got a Twinkle on my hands, and this color is so pretty. I'm really loving green these days, and this green is just beautiful. I don't think I've ever actually really seen a green quite like it, and it's just giving me like E-Girl, Sailor Moon, Usagi Tsukino vibes, okay? It's just so pretty. I love just looking at it on my hands. It makes me really happy just to, you know, just have it on my hands, I guess. And I love it. So I'm pretty much just doing the same thing that I did for the toenails here. I'm ombreing them together. One thing that I do want to say, though, is that to ombre these colors together and make it look as smooth as possible, I'm doing 2 coats of, like, Pixie Dust or whatever color I'm using and the Shining Star color, right? I'm doing 2 coats of that together. So I'll put down Pixie Dust or Twinkle, and then I'll put down Shining Star, cure it, do it again, cure it for 30 seconds, and then I'll just lightly graze over the top and brush on a very light coat of the color, the nail bed color, just to make sure that the blend is seamless, because you know, like I said, these colors do ombre together very, very easily, but you know, I just like a really, really, really smooth line. I don't want any type of demarcation going on at all. So that's the reason why you see me do that. But yes, girlfriend, I just kind of filed up the sides a little bit because we did use kind of a lot of coats of polish, and I just wanted to make sure that my shape was clean, boy. So that's what I did. And now I'm going to be adding some dangle charms. You guys, I never, ever put dangle charms on my nails, but I was just feeling it today for some reason. I've really been feeling like the whimsical nails, the glittery nails, the kind of like ethereal, I guess, nails, like, you know, the fairy type nails. I've really been feeling that look, and I really wanted to just have something really special and extra. My outfit today was kind of like e-girl-esque as well, so I guess I was just feeling the vibes. So that's just what you see me doing here. These are just some random jump rings that I got from Michael's, and then the charms I got off of Amazon, and this is how everything ended up coming out. Look at it, you guys. Look how cute. Look how freaking cute. And I just did some light makeup. I didn't show you guys that, but if you want to see how I did this makeup, this is just like my no foundation routine. I'll link the video where I actually apply this exact makeup in the cards. It's super easy, super quick. I did it in under 20 minutes. And yeah, so if you're still here, congrats, sis. You made it to the mini vlog. And basically, I just showed you guys a bunch of different clips just from my day. Bunch of stuff that I was doing with my family. We had a great day this day. My brothers were running around fighting each other all day. You'll probably see a little clip of this later, but my mom made us sanitize our hands like 1,000 freaking times throughout this whole day. Like, we literally sanitized our hands like 1,000 freaking times. It was actually ridiculous. Like, off every ride, she was sanitizing the ketchup and mustard packets for the hot, like, she's redonkulous, you guys. But I had a great time with my brothers. We went out, we went to get some hibachi, and it was just really, really good vibes. The weather was perfect. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment below, let me know what you think. And thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button so that the video can get recommended to more divas like you. And if you're not subscribed yet, sis, make sure you hit that subscribe button so that you can join the diva gang, and also turn on your post notifications so that you don't ever miss an update from me. And I think that's about it for me. I had a great time. I was super duper tired by the end of the day, and yes, if you're still here, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned to the end for some bloopers, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace, diva gang. Mwah.
Don't touch me!
My boy is slumped. Ooh. Bye-bye.